Actually, I think the first, before as in after the practice, sir told, be ready. I was like, Miss, I didn't get the exact point. Sir, ने ना be कल के लिए ready रहना है. I was like, okay, fine. I was okay, fine, ठीक है. Then Mithali ji, when we had team meeting, no, they announced the exact 12, not the 11. They told the exact 12, and I was like, I wasn't 12. When sir said be ready, I was well confident that I might play. I might play. So I was like, okay. I couldn't sleep that night. I was like, so many thoughts in my head, and I don't know what exactly happened. But then I don't want. Actually, I spoke to my mom that night. Mummy, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत कुछ आ रहा है. Like, unnecessary thought. I don't know why is that. Just because I'm playing tomorrow, I was okay, fine. Let me just. Mummy ने बोला, don't worry, play like you're playing a normal match. Don't take so much pressurize or something like that. But I don't know. But that night I couldn't sleep well. I slept around 11 in the night. Okay, then in the morning when I got up, I had a little routines. Like morning get up, doing everything. Nothing should be mattering that time. But in the match, I don't know what happened. Little Lori said butterflies in my this thing. I couldn't control, but then when I got the maiden over, no, I got the confidence after the maiden over actually. The first over it didn't favor me well, but I was well confident that maiden over made me boost in the next over. Then Mithali ji came to me is like, just bowl to your strength, to like just keep it game very simple. I was like, okay. Even Harry D was coming and speaking to me like, just bowl in the right areas, those things. That made me even confidence. After that, then first maiden when I got cap from Julie, I was really happy. Actually, it's like when I saw South Africa, Ismail was a bit quick, but she was not that, what do you say, hitting the same deck consistently. She was just varying the pace. Sometimes she was doing variations in between. What I see in the cap is she was hitting the same deck in the line. She's not giving that much room to hit. What I've seen from the cap is the hitting the consistently. And Ismail is she's gone for the pace, hitting the bouncer. She knows the weakness and she bowl according to that. But what I've seen the cap, South ball is bowling that they're like out of 6 they're bowling at least 5 good balls, and somewhere the line but their bowling was really good. They're bowling the consistent line, they're hitting the deck well. I've seen the first match. I was like, okay, pitch is का ठीक है, इतना bounce नहीं है, but ठीक है, if you contain well, the pitch is like flat for the help for the batsman. So we need to pull our lens back. That's what I've seen first match. Before bowling, heading to my bowling, ऐसे like ठीक है, pitch वगैरह सही है, good flat wicket, and ज़्यादा variation करना इस wicket पे सही नहीं होगा. Then I was like, ठीक है, hitting the same line and length could help me to get wickets. I was in that mindset. In domestic, what I feel is a different ball game just because the pace is little less, and the batsmen like they don't hit the bad balls sometimes. When we feel confident just because हमको medium मिल गया, हमको wicket मिल गया, we'll be like हाँ सब कुछ ठीक है. No, that's what I think. No, ये ठीक नहीं है. I want to be the better. Like I want to be the best in everything. Whenever I get opportunity, maybe in batting or fielding or something, I never compare the domestic and that level. I don't want to be there. I want to be somewhere where international people stand. Like how they do, like how consistently how they keep their mindset in that situation. Just learning. I'm not like I know everything. I'm just learning inputs, like how they keep the standards up, like how they bowl. That's what I've seen. In domestic, no, it's just a simple thing. Just go bowl. If you bowl in the right way, you get. If you get something, just goes off like that. But internationally, if you give somewhere down the leg, at least middle, if you give, no, they're gonna hit this for 6. In domestic, it's like LB or bowl. We had nets, same. See, whenever I hit my nets, I make sure I'm playing a match. I just assume I'm playing a match. They are the batsmen, and just assume. I think myself I'm in my match mode, and I'm playing a match. From first ball, I need to bowl my best ball in the first ball. And I was preparing each and every day. I was like I was just focusing on my line and nothing else. For me, in 50 years, it's all about that, hitting the line and then consistently. So it was every day when Raman sir was giving me bowling in my net. I make sure I used to bowl all, at least out of 6, at least 5 was hitting my areas, right? So I was confident, yeah, I was the same thing. On the fifth match, actually, even we got to know in the meeting it's like 11th thing and all. But for me, I was prepared because I never keep myself ever down, no matter what, whether I get an opportunity, that is a secondary thing. But I need to be prepared, like mentally. That's what I be like whenever I get an opportunity, at least batting or bowling something, I make sure I'm bowling in the match. That will be my first match, and second match will be like whenever I go, that is my second match, maybe in the ground or the nets. It would be my first or second match. It's not like you're playing my first match or something. I don't keep myself so this thing. Always when I get an opportunity, make sure in the nets it's my first match. When I get opportunity, that is my second match. So I got confidence from the first nets, going to bowling the same the match. That's how I prepare myself. Exactly, we have an advantage like a lefty. It's a different ball. It comes in for right, it's angle, it goes out. Yeah, you're right. In that way, we have an advantage, like because I've seen many other countries do. They have very few left-arm paces. I think Australia has it. Women's Australia has it. One left-arm pacer I've seen. Few. I think only few team has a left-arm bowler. So obviously, it's an advantage. I don't feel any lucky there. Just it's all about the blessing there. What you said is right. That advantage and the blessed to have a left-arm pace in both side. It's always. I spoke to Cap about this, like how she went through international. I used to give just a general cricketing question. I just asked, and she just told me simple. See, it's all about how you work towards it and how you go through it. It's all about the simple. She just guided me in simple way. I used to ask like, what are the routines and all. I used to ask just a simple cricketing thing, and just gave me an open mind. It's all about little things you need to improve. Not like you want to be the fastest. Not about how quick you are. It's all about how consistent you are. That's all it matters in international. So she opened my mind. Just like it's not all about speed. It's all about the consistent where you hit. Then it opened my mind. Yeah, I was like I always wanted to be quick. See, all fast bowlers have that thing. See, they want to be the quickest. But with that, you need to be so smart. It's not about always quick. It's all about how consistent you are in that. If you see in Indian pitches, if you bowl that quick, it doesn't behave like what Australian and England pitches are. But in Indian, it's all about how consistently you hit the deck. And that's what it just opened little my mind. I was like, yeah, she was right. It's not only about pace. It's all about even hitting the right areas at that time. So right now in my mind is just being like mentally and physically fit right now. For me, skill is a second part there. For me, it's about being fit right now. See, it's like fit is when you see what I felt is I have just arrived for this international. I make sure I maintain this for long, not like for short period or something like that. I make sure I maintain my fitness, and with that physical this thing, skill wise, I do. I know it's like starting. You don't expect everything to come in my favor. It's not gonna happen there. I make sure whenever I get opportunity, I make sure I use my best because I've learned it from a mistake. I want to be much more consistent. What I used to be, I need to be mid. It's like out of 6, I need to be at least 5, at least 6 balls. I used to be like before 4 or 5. Now I want to be like 6 balls out of 6. I want to be 6 consistent. I don't want to here and there or something like that. I don't want anything given easy for any international players. Maybe the opponent may be a bit difficult. Then also, I need to be more agile. What my captain needs me to bowl, I need to be ready to bowl that ball also. That's what I need to be. I'll be training right now after this thing.